Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and the Philippines. What do these countries have in common with each other? Any guesses? That's right. Good food. Now let me ask again. Japan, Korea, Taiwan. What does the Philippines not have in common with them? Maybe good climate? Yeah. Maybe a competent government? Also, yeah. But that's not the point. It's proper waste segregation. And before you scroll away thinking it's just another education video, yeah, it's just another education video, so feel free to scroll. Just thinking that maybe this happens because we probably don't even have a law for proper waste segregation. Well, actually, we do. We actually have a lot of laws for waste management in the country. But that's not the point. I only have 2 to 3 minutes to get to my point, so let's get right into it. Okay, so RA 9003, or also called Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, basically says sort your trash biodegradable, recyclable, residual, and 3 bins. Not one. Simple to do right, wrong. Drive around any province or city in the Philippines, you will find open dump sites, rivers that look like they were named the official landfills, barangays with zero MRFs or material recovery facilities, zero composting, zero segregation, just a big roaming garbage truck that probably throws it somewhere. But maybe it's because the barangay levels don't have to do it. Wrong again. The law requires every single barangay in the country to have an MRF where the waste gets sorted, composted, and recycled before it even reaches to the landfills. Open dump sites, it was supposed to be gone 2 decades ago. Well, it's 2026 now and there are still open dump sites. Okay, so let's break this down quickly. So you probably went to high school, right? So we're gonna do the classic SWOT analysis so we can further understand the law. So let's start with the strength. So the law is actually very well written, clear rules, clear penalties, and a clear system was followed. It will actually work. The weakness is the actual enforcement. It's just that no one cares to actually enforce the law. Or even if they do, there's actually no budget because there's a billion other problems in the country. The opportunity is actually just us, the public, social media, youth movements, and zero waste advocates. There's no more pressure than compared to previous generations with improper practices to actually proper waste segregation in the country. And it's actually showing like those self-cleaning restaurants. Yeah. It's a small step, but it's better than nothing. And the threat? Waste is growing faster than proper implementation. E-commerce packaging, fast food, single-use plastics. The problem keeps growing but the solution has been the same since it was published. So what do we actually do? For the government, it's just enforce the law you wrote. For barangay officials, of course, you have to educate your people. And for us, the last hope, sort your trash. Other countries didn't build their system overnight. It was a cumulative effort. Yeah, bye.